Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on modularization concept. So what is modularization? What is modularization in Java? Why we require modularization? We will see in this lecture with example. So modularization is nothing but you have to write into different modules at different levels. So three levels are supported for modularization. First one is class level, second one is package level, and next one is method level. Now we will discuss each level here. So I want to work on the volume of cuboid example. I want to demonstrate sample example directly. You'll get from that. And first thing is you have to open Eclipse, create file, new Java project. Assume that project name is modularization. MODU is my project name. Select next. Click on finish. Right click on MODU, that is name of the project, new class, package name is PKG1, and take the class name as VOL. Any class name should start with uppercase and don't give any main method. Now what you have to do, what is the formula for volume of cuboid? P into P is equal to L into B into H. So you have to analyze the formula by developing program. Now your initial step is you have to write one method, public void this. Here you need to understand first what is the formula for volume of cuboid. V is equal to L into B into H. Here you have to declare the variables double L comma B comma H, or else you can give directly here in argument double L comma double V comma double H, double V is equal to length into breadth into height. So what you have to return? So where you are storing in V. So here you have to give us return V semicolon, because your method name is disp. So this part is completed, right? Now you just wrote the formula for volume of cuboid. You are just writing the method. Here method name used here disp. Class name is vol. Okay. And next you have to create one more package. I am just demonstrating that package level. I want to create class second pkg2 and the class name is volume. Create main method. Now this is a very important step at the package level. What is the previous package? pkg1. Import pkg1 dot, what is the previous method. Please go to the previous file. Previous package is pkg1 and I gave as volume as class import pkg.vol. Next one is, now what you have to do, you have to create object. So what is the previous class there? vol. So v is equal vol obj, that is equal to new. You have to call the volume constructor here, obj dot, what is the this, give some values. Assume that 23.5, 20.5, and next one is 30. So let us check this program. I want to run this program. Take int r. Just 1 second. Here give us public double and just save it. Please observe what I am doing. If you understand this example, you can write on your own. This is the entire concept of modularization at package level. Now I am going to run this program. So what is your expected output? Why it is not printing anything? Again go to the volume double display. Here written V is equal to L into B into H. So you just mention int C is equal to you have to do typecasting. What is typecasting here? Conversion of one data type to other data type is called typecasting. Previously it is there in the int. Now you have to typecast the double. So finally you have to use system dot out dot println C. Right here C, because you are storing in C variable. Let us see this output. 14452.5, because 23.5 into 20.5 into 30. So that is your result. Once again, I am going to apply modularization package level. So initially, you will create the first package. This is volume. First, go to the package. First, you create some method, and the 3 arguments are there to find length, breadth, and height. And you have to multiply those and store in the result V. I have to return V and take another package. And this file name is volume. You have to import from the previous package followed by class name. You have to instantiate, you have to create object obj by instantiating with a new keyword by calling the volume constructor and take some variable, and your object name is obj dot this. When I have to pass the values for these arguments and you have to print C finally. So this is the entire concept modularization at package level. Keep watching next videos. If those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and put like and share with others. Keep watching and thank you.